Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you another easy one. This is for the broke, this is for the poor, this is food for those who don't have so much money to spend. But I promise you it is so delicious and it is healthy as well. Without wasting much time, let's just get started. Now these are the things you are going to need. I have here 2 packs of Indomie noodles. This is big enough for 2. I've got here 2 medium-sized eggs. I've also got some sardine. And I've got here some hot chili peppers, some chopped sweet peppers, and I've got here some cabbage as well. First, I'll bring water to boil on fire. Then I'll get my noodles. I must say the seasoning in the noodles contains monosodium glutamate, so I never use them. I'll just throw them out and use my own. So when the water is hot enough, I'll put the noodles inside. After about 3 minutes, it is ready. I'll just put off the fire and drain the water. I'll get a pan and come in with some oil. I'll break in 2 eggs. I'll come with a little bit of seasoning and I'll keep on mixing. I'll drop in some black pepper and I'll continue on scrambling them. When the eggs are ready, I'll just get them out of the pan. Using the same pan, I'll come in with a little bit more of oil and I'll drop in my hot chili pepper. I must say, if you don't like it so hot and spicy, you can get rid of the chili pepper. Next, I'll come in with my cabbage, my spring onions, and my sweet pepper. I'll drop in some seasoning. Then I'll come in with my sardine and I'll keep on stir frying. After about a minute, I will come in with my noodles and continue stir frying. I'll come in with some dark soy sauce, a little bit of white pepper, and some black pepper. Finally, I'll drop in the eggs. Give it a little mix and keep on the fire for about 20 seconds. So ladies and gentlemen, our food for the broke is ready. It tastes and smells so good. And prepare this food for under $2 and that is so great. So guys, I hope you are going to give this a try. If you're broke or if you want to save some money, you can eat this instead. It's cheap and affordable and anybody at all can afford this. I hope you did enjoy this and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.